Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to change the double tap option on AirPods just like these. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now, the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your AirPods are connected to your phone. So these AirPods are already paired up with my phone. I'm just going to take one and I'm going to put it in my ear so that it actually ends up connecting to the phone. So I have one AirPod in my ear. You can see it says that my AirPods are connected. I'm going to go ahead and unlock my phone. Now, to change it, we basically need to go to the Bluetooth settings and essentially the AirPod settings. So in order to do that, we need to go to the settings app right here. As you can see in the settings menu right here, we're going to go to Bluetooth, okay? So Bluetooth is right here. And then it shows your Bluetooth devices. I'm going to choose Master Mike's AirPods because those are my AirPods because I'm Master Mike, obviously. And I'm going to click the little eye with the circle around it right over here. Sorry about the poor lighting. This is just how the camera is picking up the phone lighting right now. And now we have the settings for the AirPods. Now you can see right here it says double tap on AirPod, the left or the right. You can choose what you want the left to do when you double tap it and what you want the right to do when you double tap it. So for the left one, I can choose for it to go to the next track, previous track, play, pause, Siri, or off. And the same thing with the right one. You can choose all of those same options. So you can have them do the exact same thing when you double tap either of them, or you can have them do different things. It's up to you, but that's how to change the double tap option on AirPods. That's it. It's literally that simple. That is how to do it. And you can have them do whatever you want out of that list of capabilities. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.